How to replace LaFuma Chaise lounge elastic bungee cords. LaFuma Chaise lounges feature a distinctive design using mesh fabric that laces elastic bungee cords to the repositionable frame. Occasionally, you need to replace the cords. Cord replacement kits include two 24-inch long cords for the top of the chair and two 57-inch long cords for the bottom part of the chair. The lacing procedure is the same for both RSX and RSX XL recliners, regardless of the difference in grommet numbers, but there is a change in the lacing pattern to accommodate the flexible construction of the chair. While lacing, you use the loops welded onto the inside of the frame only once, except for loop 18 on the RSX chair. Things you will need: lace kit with 4 cords, model number LFM 2100. Lacing the top of the chair. Feed one end of a short cord from the back of the chair up through the first grommet. A plastic piece on the end will lay crosswise over the grommet to keep the cord in place. Fold the free end of the cord over the top loop on the frame. The cord is now between the loop and frame facing downward. Pull the cord behind the chair mesh. Push the cord from the back of the chair through the second grommet. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until you get to the 5th grommet. Push the cord up through the 5th grommet and fold the cord over the loop like you've done previously. This time, however, push the cord through the top, not the bottom, of the 6th grommet to the back of the chair. The cord can now dangle from the bottom of the chair. Push the cord up from the 7th grommet and fold it over the loop and continue in the same way you did in step 2. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until you get to the 10th grommet. Once you have fed the cord over the last loop in this section, push the end of the cord through the grommet from the front of the chair to the back. The plastic end lays crosswise over the hole on the back of the chair to keep the cord in place. Repeat steps 1 to 6 to complete the other side of the chair. Lacing the bottom of the chair. Feed one end of a long cord from the back of the chair up through the first grommet on the bottom section of the chair. A plastic piece on the end will lay crosswise on the back of the chair over the grommet to keep the cord in place. Fold the free end of the cord over the first loop on this section of the chair. The cord is now between the loop and the frame facing downwards. Pull the cord behind the chair mesh. Push the cord from the back of the chair through the grommet. Repeat steps 1 to 3 until you get to the 19th grommet. Push the cord up through the 19th grommet and fold it over the loop like you've done previously. This time, however, push the cord through the top, not the bottom, of the 20th grommet towards the back of the chair. The cord can now dangle from the bottom of the chair. Push the cord up from the 21st grommet and fold it over the loop. For RSX XL chairs, pull the cord up from the back of the chair through grommet 22 and continue the same way you did in step 2. For RSX chairs, pull the cord through the 21st grommet again to form a double lace, then continue as you did in step 2. Repeat step 2 and 3 until you get to the final grommet. Push the cord through the front of the grommet to the back of the chair. The plastic end lays crosswise over the grommet to keep the cord in place. Repeat all the steps to complete the other side of the chair. The final grommet will be number 29 or 30, depending on the model of your chair.